the big, top stock movers of the day. Vivek is at the big wall. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. It's a double century as far as the Nifty itself was concerned. And like you mentioned, like we've been mentioning, it's been the metal pack that actually aided the very strong up move today. So the first set of stocks on the radar and on the list today is the entire metal pack. So what triggered the rally over here? Like you mentioned, the likely reserve ratio cut from China, and also some price hikes being taken by some of the players, especially like NMDC. This is something that actually aided the rally in the entire metal pack. The next stock on our radar, is HFCL, the second biggest gainer as far as the NSE 500 is concerned. Some positive news flow coming in, a favorable tribunal verdict, as well as an order win from day first day. All of this further strengthening the sentiment in this particular name. The next stock on the radar is KEI Industries. A very good set of numbers. The management came on the channel, commentary was quite strong, almost 10% higher after this particular good set of numbers. And the next stock is REC. Yesterday, despite a good set of numbers, the stock, along with PSC, saw significant selling pressure. Today, managing to recoup a significant amount of that. And also, remember, the Q3 results were quite strong, EPS upgrades coming in from NBFC analysts over there. But on the other hand, while the mainstream, IT companies, mainstream Nifty IT names did quite well, it was the Midcap and some of the other IT names that did see some selling pressure. This was on the back of muted Q3 and some margin guidance coming in and some revenue guidance getting trimmed across the board. So if you see some of the names here, Tata, Elxsi, Route Mobile, all of them taking it on the chin today. The next stock on the radar, Axis Bank. Now, despite what initially was seen to be a good set of numbers, margin pressures over here and worries of further margin getting trimmed is something that impacted the analyst sentiment and the stock lower by almost 2.5%. And the last stock on the radar is Oberoi Realty. A weak set of numbers. Yesterday, post the con call, the management pushed out one particular launch further ahead. And on the back of that, this particular stock saw further selling pressure today, down almost 5%.
Okay, Vivek, thanks very much for that comprehensive look at what moved and how. Well, let's bring